Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today's menu, we are preparing for the new parents. Yes, I have a new granddaughter, and I'm bringing over a nice hearty vegetable soup with chickpeas, sweet potatoes, onions, carrots, and celery that will have the Mediterranean flavors of turmeric and cumin and fresh ginger. They live in a great community. Friends are bringing over meals. But it's also nice that when Louis and I go to visit tomorrow, we are bringing over this delicious, hearty Mediterranean soup. Dutch oven comes out. Look at all the ingredients down below and prep them ahead of time. What we do is get our sweet potatoes and carrots and celery right into the pan. And the onions. Let them get a little soft and translucent for now. While everything is simmering, add your pinch of salt and a nice stir. Everything looks nice, soft, and now it's time to add the next set of ingredients. So to add your garlic, look for the products that are called Dorot. These are imported from Israel. We always like to have that Israel flavor in our soups. Go out and show your supermarkets that you want to have Israeli products stocked on all the shelves. Wild Fork has it. Trader Joe's has it. Let's keep that going. I will be adding, let's add in a little fresh ginger, chickpeas. Now we start. Teaspoon of everything, coriander, turmeric, cumin. Give everything a nice mix. It's a simple recipe filled with lots of flavor. All right, give everything one final mix. 1 box of vegetable broth, a 100% Parve soup, crushed tomatoes, good stir. Okay, let's give this a taste. Oh, perfect. A little bit of a kick. You can put in some red pepper flakes. Simmer for 25 minutes. All right, our Mediterranean chickpea soup looks beautiful, chunky, has the nice chickpeas, sweet potatoes, vegetables. Smells. To add a little bit of little Mediterranean flavor, we're going to take a lime and just give it a little squeeze. I need a taster for this soup. Hey Lou, would you like to try my latest soup?
About your kitchen is my being the taster. Yes, yes, yes. The best part about being by Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen is that I get to taste everything and eat everything. Really good. Spices are just right. B'tei avon, my friends.
Forget that squeeze of lime right at the end as you serve. Hope you enjoy. Recipe is down below. And give out a like and share with your friends.
Welcome to the world, little